want to talk about a motion to suppress. And this is one of the most powerful tools that we have. It's one of the first things that we're looking for. So by the time I'm ever involved, there's been enough evidence to arrest you or your loved one. The case has already started, and we're on our way in court, so it's already moving forward. So what we're going to look at is there any way that we can block any of the evidence that they're planning on using against you? And the easiest example I use all the time is, let's say we have a defendant was pulled over and there's drugs in the car, got meth in the car. So charged with felony possession of meth. All right, case starts, the crime lab comes back pretty quickly, it was definitely meth. So we're pretty much going to be hosed unless we can block them from actually using the meth. But then let's say there was something wrong with the stop. Or there was an unlawful search that the cop did in order to get the meth. Well, if we can win that on a motion to suppress, then now they can't use the meth as evidence in the case. And without them being able to use that, we're probably going to win the case. And so there's any number of situations this could come up. Maybe it's a felon charged with felon in possession of a handgun, and we can get the gun suppressed. Then there's no case, and then the case will get dismissed. But it's one of those things that after we get the discovery, after we get the freedom of information request, we make that evaluation, and then we're going to be doing the case law research, because there's been thousands of cases, before the one that's in front of us. And hopefully we can find an excellent argument to suppress the evidence and get the case dismissed. But that's just another reason why we want to get started early, why we want to get working early, because we want to see what's the best evidence for them, what's the worst evidence against us, and how can we go about getting that suppressed, getting it thrown out if at all possible, because that'll be a huge step in getting a good result in the case.